Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we have something very exciting. The Capture camera clip from Peak Design. Now this is small but mighty. So stay to the end and you'll see the multiple ways that I use this thing. Let's get started. Now what I have here is the Capture camera clip from Peak Design. This device is a little on the expensive side, but it is worth it. The camera clips that I was thinking about getting that were about half price to this, they would slip. They would, at least from what they were saying in the comments, that they would slip. They wouldn't clip right. After a while, the locking mechanisms would not work. And I don't know about you guys, but I am not going to put my camera into something that might or might not work. Okay, I paid good money for the equipment that I have, and I am not going to put it at risk of just falling off onto the ground. So that's why I went with Peak Design. This, at least in the comments, said it is a really good device, very stable, and it will definitely keep this thing on your body. And at the end, I'll show you how I use it in different configurations on fanny packs, on backpacks, you name it, I use it. Okay, so when it comes to unboxings, pretty much what you get is what you see. You see the clip here, and you see the base. Now this is Arcus compatible, so this base, if I put it on my cameras, it will transfer to my tripods because my tripods have Arcus base on them. Pretty cool. So let's open this thing up. Pull out the nice handy dandy tab. There we go. It does come with a really cool pouch, as you see here. Inside that pouch, you do have an Allen wrench. You have a couple of screws, which can make it, if you're definitely not going to move it around different anchor points or different devices, you can actually use this Allen wrench and you can screw it into the whatever device you're putting this on, like a backpack or a fanny pack or belt or whatever, and it could be semi-permanent. Ooh, there's something else in here. Oh, it's a, hey, read this. We offer a lifetime warranty. Lifetime warranty. Okay, here's your Arcus base. Okay, and you just kind of Allen wrench this thing onto the bottom of your camera, and you never have to worry about this thing falling again. Okay, and then you have the base. Screw these out. There we go. On this base, you will see a nice rubbery insert which will grasp onto pretty much anything you put it on, like a strap of a backpack. And it is actually flush with the metal, which is nice because other ones that I've read, like this, would actually come apart and then separate from the metal, and it would slide around and fall off your backpack. The Peak Design does not do that, at least from what I've read. So that is cool. And all you do is, you can see, you can adjust the gap. Okay, so mind the gap. Alrighty. It does have a locking mechanism here. Push this button in, it slides down, it's locked. You can even put it to the side and it's locked, and that thing is not coming out. All right. Or just a quick release, push this out, pour out your camera, and you're ready to go. Now I know that was a little convoluted, but it kind of shows you just how good this is. I mean, it's not falling out. Okay, of course, first things first, make sure you get that base on there. Use that Allen wrench. Now just a little past finger tight is what you want to make it. You want to break it or strip the threads in there. And make sure it's in there super duper tight and as straight as you can make it. Now in the one type of backpack that I have, it has this little kind of extra piece of strap here, which makes it perfect to slide that on. Kind of tighten everything down. Finger tight. And then that is not moving around at all. Then you just take the camera and you see the plate here. Just slides right on. Don't forget to push the button in. And it's on there nice and tight. That thing is not going anywhere on that strap. When you take it off, all you do is just push the button, slides right off. And I'll show you what it's like when I have the backpack on. Slap that right in, and you're good to go. And here's the really neat thing. I still have the strap around my neck. So, again, all you have to do, what I do, is kind of push it with your thumb. Thing comes right out. You're ready to go. Okay? Videotaping, camera, whatever you need. It just pops right in. It's not going anywhere. I love this thing. So convenient. And we did pay for this by ourselves. This was not a freebie or a give me or anything like that. So we purchased this and we use this quite a bit. So with that said, as always, have a great day.